Alright guys, so I'm going to be giving you a before tour, kind of giving you like a backstory of why it looks like this and then what we plan on doing. So this is when you walk in. Before this day, it was actually all put together, but my mom had her floors redone. So we had to move all the furniture and everything just looks a hot mess. I'm gonna help her put everything together, clean, organize, disinfect, and hopefully decorate a little bit more. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick overview. So like I said, this is what you see when you walk in. This is her living room with all of her furniture kind of all over the place. Over here is like the little dining area. This is where her kitchen table goes. And then this is her kitchen. So she has a good amount of storage space, which I want to organize hopefully soon. Straight through. Her bedroom's in there, but I'm not going to show you that. And then over to the left is the laundry room. Go back past the kitchen, past the dining area, and past the living room. And there's another cat. We have 2 cats here and a dog. Now we are going to get to some cleaning, organizing, and just getting this back together. So the first thing I wanted to do was sweep up all like the dust and debris. Like I said, they just had done the floors, so there was just a lot of grossness on the floor. So that was my main thing first, was just sweep up before I started mopping. If you guys are new to my channel, you might not know that I am uploading a new video every day in April of 2020. Mostly cleaning and organizing and decluttering related, but there also will be some lifestyle videos. So if you guys are interested in checking out more, I will link some down below and be on the lookout for more videos this month. So I ended up using the Swiiffer mop pads, and we went through like 2 whole packs because I didn't bring my mop over. My mom doesn't have a mop, so we just had to use this. But I ended up going over all of the floors at least twice, and if you guys can kind of see, it's pretty gross, and that's after going over it a second time, and that wasn't even the worst part of the floor. So I ended up going over everything at least twice. I didn't put that all in the video because that would be pretty boring, but the floors were gross, so it was super satisfying to see like how much the Swiiffer ended up picking up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you guys find this mopping of the floor as satisfying as I do. Now that the eating area was done, I was going to move on to the living room. First, I wanted to get behind the couch and sweep them up so that I could move the couch back, and then I did the front part of the couch so that everything ended up being clean and I didn't miss any spots.
strong. I'll carry on with the fire that's left in me. You lifted me higher, you're my heartbeat. Taking the fire out of me. You're taking me higher, 'cause you are the fire that's left in me.
If you guys enjoyed this cleaning motivation, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I offer plenty of motivation as far as cleaning, organization, and decluttering. So again, if you guys enjoyed that, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you guys here on my channel.
I've never been that much for love, but being free better than none. Tried it before with all I got, and all I know is left now, the sun and the stars, leaving me in the dark, leading me through it all.
I also decided to give the couch a little refresh. I tested it on this cushion first, and it ended up working really well and taking out some of the odors from our pets. So then I did the rest of the couch and I let it sit while I swept and mopped the hallway to the bedrooms.
You lifted me higher, you're my heartbeat. Taking the fire out of me. You're taking me higher, 'cause you are the fire that's left in me. That's left in me. Left in me.
All I used to deodorize the couch was baking soda. I know a lot of people put essential oils in theirs, but I didn't because essential oils are toxic for cats, and I have 2 here, so I didn't want to do that. I let it sit for about 20 minutes. You're supposed to let it sit for at least 30, I think, or an hour, but I just didn't have that kind of time. But our couch really didn't smell that bad since it's relatively new, so 20 minutes was good enough for us. But definitely, if you have the time, let it sit a little bit longer.
You're taking me higher, 'cause you are the fire that's left in me.
Alright, so this is what we got done on night 1. I started at like 8, and it's a little past, oh no, it's 10:24, so 2.5 hours, and we got all the main floors swept and mopped, the couch vacuumed and put back together. I did this window, I cleaned that window and dusted and stuff. I vacuumed the little cat tower. Jerry! The table, we kind of changed it up a little, and then I have this extra vase, so I thought it would look cute. The kitchen I did not tackle. It actually looks worse because I have all my cleaning stuff, but that is tomorrow's objective. I swept and mopped this hallway, so I didn't get any cleaning or organizing and decluttering done, but the house, or the main living area, is clean, and tomorrow we get into the fun stuff. This is going to be the end, and I will see you guys in the next part.